children, welcome to Early Bird Class 8 Science Chapter 1 Revision Class. Children, in this class I have not written anything on the screen. I will just revise whatever you have learned in Chapter 1. Then what you have to do? You just close your eyes, be calm and listen to the points which I am telling. You just recall whatever you have learned in this chapter. In the beginning of the chapter, you have learned about crops. When plants of same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. You have learned about two cropping patterns, that is Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops is mainly done during rainy season, that is June to September. Example, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. Rabi crops are mainly done during winter season, that is October to March. Examples, wheat, gram, pea, mustard and seed. You have learned about agricultural practices, mainly 7 steps. First one, preparation of soil, next sowing, next adding manure and fertilizers, 4th step irrigation, 5th protecting from weeds, 6th harvesting, 7th storage. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. Plow, hoe, cultivator, etc. are used in agricultural practices. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant or animal waste. Fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in a particular nutrient. Crop rotation is a practice or method of replenishing the soil with nutrients by growing different crops alternatively. We have learned about the difference between fertilizer and manure. Fertilizer, first point, fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salt, whereas manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residues. Second point, fertilizer is prepared in factories, whereas manure can be prepared in the fields. Third point, fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil, whereas manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fourth point, fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Then we have learned about advantages of manure. First point, it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. Second, it makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. Third point, it increases the number of friendly microbes. Fourth point, it improves the texture of the soil. The supply of water to crops at regular intervals is called as irrigation. There are two methods of irrigation, that is sprinkler system and drip system. The undesirable plants that grow naturally along with the crops are called weeds. The best time for removal of weeds is before they produce flower and seeds. Weeds are also controlled by using chemicals like 2,4-D, are called weedicides. The cutting of crops after it is mature is called harvesting. The machine combine is a harvester as well as a thresher. In the harvested crop, the grain seed need to be separated from the chaff. This process is called threshing. Small scale farmers or the farmers with small holdings of land do the separation of grain and chaff by winnowing. Large scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries. Food is also obtained from animals. Animals are reared at home or in farms in a large scale for the purpose of food is called as animal husbandry. Now you have recalled most of the points in the chapter. Now you just pass on to the next segment, that is self-assessment. I have put some questions over there. So just you try to answer all the questions. Thank you.